Hello, I'm Mia from Miro AI Studio. Take one photo, upload it to your Miro board, and ask the Sidekick to digitalize it. Within moments, you have every single insight digitized and ready for action. Colors are preserved, handwriting is converted to text, and positioning stays true to your original layout. No manual transcription, no lost ideas, no squinting at handwritten notes weeks later. There's another way of doing this. Click the Sidekicks button, go to the Sidekicks library, then select Formats, Sticky Notes, and an image of sticky notes. Drop your pick there and let Miro AI do its thing. Now your digitized notes become the foundation for real work. Select all of them and ask Miro AI to cluster them. Transform them into an action items table with owners and deadlines as we showed you in this video. Create a summary document that highlights key takeaways and outlines next steps. Your analog workshop seamlessly continues as digital collaboration without missing a beat. Remote team members who miss the in-person session can immediately see and build on the ideas. Your insights are preserved forever in a searchable, editable format. Ready to never lose another brilliant sticky note idea? Try Miro AI Sticky Notes, capture today, and subscribe for more features that will transform how you capture and build on team insights. Thanks for watching.